We will start the exercise 6.2, which is depend on the BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So let's start with the exercise 6.2. See, there are two figures are given. In first figure, we will see this one is the figure DE. This point is the D and E, A, B, C. This one is measure is as 1.5 centimeter. This is the 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter. According to the question, in first DE is parallel to BC. Okay, and we have to find EC. Okay, so first, this one is the first. So in triangle ABC, we know the basic proportionality theorem. If these two lines are parallel, then these sides are in the proportion. So we can write as sides are in the proportion AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So by using BPT. So we have all the values, keep the values and do the cross multiplication. What is the AD? AD is as a 1.5, DB as 3, AE as 1, EC we have to calculate. Do the cross multiplication. 1.5 is equal to 1.5 EC is equal to 3. So EC is equal to 3 upon 1.5. So if we remove this decimal, it will be 0 here. So this become the 15. 15 ones are, 15 twos are. So EC is equal to 2 centimeter. So this one is the first one. Okay. Let's do with the second one. Second one is same as the first one. Again there is one figure. Again there is this one line. ABC. This is the 7.2 centimeter. This is the 5.4 centimeter. This is the 1.8 centimeter. This one is the D and E. Again here is given as in the second also DE is parallel to BC. All these are given and we have to find the AD. So again by the basic proportionality theorem, in triangle ABC, we will write the sides as in the proportion. Okay, so which will with the side AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Again write AD, we have to calculate, keep as it is. DB is as 7.2. This is the 1.8 and 5.4. AD is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4. Okay. So what will be the calculation now here? For this one, this one will be the 3s are. Okay. And let's calculate this one. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 0.3, 4s are. So AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. So this one is the answer for the AD. In the question number 2 of 6.2, we can see that E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following, state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Okay, see, means according to the question, if we draw on the rough figure PQR, E and F are the midpoints of PQ and PR. We have to show that this EF is parallel to QR. So in 3 questions, sub questions are there. So in the first we will check PE is equal to 3.9, EQ is equal to 3, PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. All 4 parts are given here. Okay. So if the midpoints are there, sorry, E and F are the points on that side. So we can write as, we will check the ratios will be equal. If these sides are in the proportion and their ratios are equal, then we can say that these lines are parallel. So we will check the ratio first, PE upon EQ. We will check the ratio. PE upon EQ is equal to 3.9 upon 3, which is equal to 1.3. 3 ones are and 3 threes are. Next we will check this one ratio. PF upon FR is equal to 3.6 upon 2.4. So 1.2 threes are and 2s are. 12 threes are and 12 fours are. So that 12 twos are. So this will be the 3 upon 2. So we can see that this ratio PE upon EQ is not equal to the PF upon FR. So we can write as EF is not parallel to QR. So similarly we have to check other two ratios. I will check one more. Rest one you can do it. Let's check about the second one. For the same figure, just we have to check the ratios. PE upon EQ we will check for the second one. It will be the 4 upon 4.5. So if we remove this one decimal, so it becomes the 40 here and this one is the 45. So in which table it is the 5. 5 8s are 5 9s are. So 8 by 9. And PF upon RF is given as already 8 by 9. So PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon RF. That means the both ratios are same. So we can write it as by converse of the BPT. By converse of the BPT, we can write EF is parallel to QR. What was the converse of the BPT? If the ratios are in the proportion, their ratios are equal, then that sides are parallel. So we can write this one. Now let's move toward the question number 3.2 exercise. Question number 3. See this question number 3 asked in the board exam 2010. Mark it. 2010. This question, see there is a one figure is given. In this figure, it is given that LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. And what we have to show, prove that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon ND. We have to show that. Again, we have to use the basic proportionality theorem in this upper side triangle and this downside triangle one by one, and we will compare that equations. Okay, so we will take that triangle ABC first. In triangle ABC, you have to write which line is the parallel. Parallel line is LM parallel to BC. See here, LM and this one is the parallel. So this ratio will be equal. What is the ratio? AM upon AB. See, AM upon MB is here, sorry, is equal to AL upon LC. Equation number 1. Okay. Now take the second one triangle, this downside triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, which one is the parallel line? LN is the parallel to CD. So again using the BPT, here write the answer, reason in the bracket using BPT. If LN is parallel to CD, again we use the BPT. AN upon ND is equal to AL upon LC. Okay. So now see the equation 1 and 2. If we see the 1 and 2, the RHS are equal. So obviously this LHS are equal. So we will write this LHS as a equal. So let's write it. So from 1 and 2, what will be equal? We will get AM upon MB is equal to AN upon ND. Okay. We will take the reciprocal first because MB is the, we want the total AB. So we will take the reciprocal. Taking the reciprocal, what will happen here? MB upon AM is equal to ND upon AN. Now we want for the proof as a total AB. Okay. So adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. MB upon AM plus 1 ND upon AN plus 1. Do the cross multiplication. MB plus AM upon AM is equal to ND plus AN upon AN. So see the figure, what will be the MB plus AM? See here, MB plus AM will be the total AB. So I will write it as MB plus AM will be AB. See, MB plus AM, and then do the addition, or you can do the reciprocal also. There is the AB upon AM, then ND plus AN. What is the ND? Here is the D. ND plus AN is equal to total AD upon AN. So, but in the question there is a AM is on the numerator and AN also in the numerator. So do the reciprocal again. Reciprocal, AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Hence prove the third question. Question number 4 from exercise 6.2. Again this question asked in the board exam 2011 and 2012. Okay, so see, what is the given? DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. We have to show that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. We have to show. Okay, so whatever the lines are parallel is given, take that triangle and apply the BPT. So first we will take in which triangle these two lines are parallel. Observe in the figure. See, DE and AC is a parallel, means the whole triangle ABC we have to take. So write down in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. So we will apply the theorem BPT. BD upon DA, BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC, using BPT and equation 1. Again take for the second one, triangle is ABE. Triangle ABE, what is the parallel? DF is parallel to AE. Then using BPT, what we can write it as? BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE, equation 2. So again observe the 1 and 2, BD upon DA, BD upon DB. LHS is same, so the RHS is same. So from 1 and 2 you can write this proof, hence proof.